Welcome to our nursery. This nursery is located Kadur and Shivapura, Bangalore to Onnavara main road. In this video, we will take you on beautiful journey through the world of plants, from vibrant vegetables to colorful flowers. Watch how these little wonders are carefully grown and nurtured in our nursery. Whether you are gardening lover or just curious about plant life, this video is for you. So sit back, relax and let nature do the talking. See, these are all tomato plants. These are ready to plant our farming land. See this. This is a only 10 days. This is a chili plants, and this is also tomato, another seeds of plant. See this coconut or fertilizer, they are using 200 to 250 rupees per packet. They using this to grow this all plants, and these are all 1 week ago plants, and this is also tomato plants. This nursery is famous about all tomato seeds plants, and this will provide also these flower plants also. If you giving an orders, they will provide all flowers and vegetable plants to grow our nursery, and they will cost about different type of cost. These are all chili plants. You see how they were looking.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸೊಸೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಯಾವ ಬರೋರು ನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ತವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 2 ಸೊಸೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರಿ ಬೀಜನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು ನೀನು ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ ಬಸವಣ್ಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಟ್ತೀಯ
ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಸಮೋಸ ಸಸಿ. These are 12 days tomatoes plants, and they are ready to plant in a week, and somebody taking plants to plant their plants. This nursery seedling are grown to a height of 2 feet. Sapling grows a strong plants we got to plant. You see in the top we see only green, full green. We did not see bottom of root space anything else. This is tomato kanchana seeds, and you see this is a cabbage plant. We are preparing gobi in this plant we got, and this is also chili. So many are there in this nursery setup, almost 22 lakh worth it. And this is a water supplying pipe. They give small water every day, and this is also cabbage. In this nursery so many plants are there and ready to plant it. If you want their number, you will get in the end of the video, and you can contact them. You can visit the nursery and take the plants, buy their plants. Almost around 1 rupee one plant they will charge. In cabbage, like another eggplants are so different cost of plants they taken. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀ. See this one plate. One plate we will get 98 plants. Okay, this is a sahu tomato plant seed. Is also giving eye yield on this. So many in this nursery tomato is the famous, and tomato plants is more plants we got. ಸಸಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌದು, ಮತ್ತೆ
ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕು. ಹಾಂ
ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಹಾಕು.
ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನರ್ಸರಿದು ಏನಾದರೂ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಓಡ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 50,000 ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಫುಲ್ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಈಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್.
And you see this line full eggplants are there, and this line also again tomato.
ನಮ್ಮದೇ ನರ್ಸರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಓಲ್ ನರ್ಸರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. This is all nursery, and this is over 22 lakh approximately they are brought to build this. This is only 8 to 10 days. And this is almost 13 days. And these plants are ready to plant our land, farming land. ತಂದ್ರ ನಂದಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಾವ.
Here they seeding them. After 4-5 days they will come this type of seeding emerges. After that they neatly assemble here. They giving only water. After that 15 to 20 days to grow up, they ready to plant. This is a cocoa peat around 40 kgs. This is around 280 rupees Indian rupees. See, so many stalks are there. They will use to grow these small plants. This is a coconut in this pocket. You can also use this for your garden. Grow your vegetables and leaves and your flowers.
ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಕಣಕ ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಎಳಿತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಬೀಜ, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತಿದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಣ್ಣು ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಕೊಕೊನಟ್.
farmer already coming to take tractor to take our plant. This is a nursery in located Kaduru.